everyone and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be learning how to make a box pleated skirt. If this sounds like something you're interested in, keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get on with the tutorial. So guys, for this skirt, this is the fabric I'm going to be working with. So this is a very thick fabric. It also stretches at both sides. So for the length of this skirt, just go ahead to subtract how wide you want the band to be. So I want mine to be 2 inches wide, and then I measured all the way down. So just go ahead to add your joining allowances for the one that you use to join the band and also the one that you use to fold the hem of this skirt. So guys, at the end of the day, I want my skirt to be 18 inches. I have gone ahead to fold the hem of my skirt, and this measures 3 yards of fabric. So like how long it is, this is 3 yards. Just multiply 36 times 3, and that is going to give us how long or in inches this skirt is. So I hope you get that. Now guys, it's time for us to begin with our pleats. So guys, just like you can see me doing, just go ahead to fold it like this, and then you're just going to stitch it as this region. So you go ahead again to fold it. Use your pins to pin all of this in place, and you can use your eyes to measure it, or go ahead to use your tape rule so that you'll be very accurate in your measurements. So just go ahead to do this, and you're going to stitch it down. For me, I use 2.5 inches because I'm later joining 1/2 inch for my band allowance. So at the end of the day, I'll be left with 2 inches that will be sewn down. So I'll just go ahead to do this all through. At this point, I've finished pinning down my pleats, and this is what I have. Now just go ahead to trim off the excess at this region so as to equalize the skirt. Now guys, after doing that, I'll just go ahead to determine where I want my pleats to be. So I'll just go down by 2.5 inches. You can go down as much as you want to, but for me 2.5 inches is okay. So guys, after determining that, I'll just go ahead and stitch my pleats down. At this point guys, I've gone ahead to stitch my pleats down, and can you see how beautiful the skirt is looking like? So I'm just going to fold them just as seen, and I'm going to iron them so that our pleats can be well illustrated on the skirt. Now guys, I'm just going to go in by my actual waist measurement so as to enable me to know how wide my band is going to be. So guys, for my band, it measures 5 inches wide and 30 inches long. So I'll just go ahead to fold it and just simply attach it to the waist of my skirt. After joining my waistband to the skirt, this is what I have. Now guys, the next thing I'll just go ahead to do is to place my zip. So I'll just go ahead to fold them in 2 as seen, mark out my actual waist measurements on this waist of the skirt, and then go down by how long I want my zip to be. After I marked out that point, I'll just go ahead to close it up at the lower part area and then fix my zip. So guys, that will be all for this tutorial. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and also subscribe. So guys, this is just me enjoying the outcome of this skirt. So that's just it. Thank you all, and see you in my next one. Bye.